How's he fighting, Aaron?
Okay, not too bad.
Go that way. All right, walk ahead a little more. I don't like heading over the back of the boat.
Ooh.
You just angered a fish. Did I tell you guys yesterday that Daryl always catches the fish?
No, you told me that Monday when I talked to you on the phone.
Well, how's my prediction so far?
Yeah, it's holding quite steady and true.
I don't know why, but it's more often than not.
My gosh.
Ooh, there's some pull right there. Holy smokes.
Good. I'm not even giving direction on this one.
It's looking more chocolate milky.
Yep. Alright. Reel him right to the water. Okay. There. Let it go. Get him low. Get him low and turn. There you go. There you go. Good job.
Holy shit.
You do not want it in the motor. Okay, now reel right to the water real fast. When I say that, he's bulldogging. I mean, just reel it. He's bulldogging hard. You got a nice fish here. Okay, now reel. There, he gave it to you. Away from the boat. Away. You're losing more ground than you're gaining.
It's a fight for you. Oh, there he is.
There's a swirl. Gotta be close. Ooh, that's a big one.
There you go. There you go. Now we'll get him. Well, maybe not. I just got to be able to see the sinker. That's all I need. You give me a sinker, I'll get the fish. Oh, I got him.
Oh,
That might
kidding
be
me?
that's big.
Oh shit. Yay. Okay, I need a nap.
That's kind of sick, actually.
You had a workout today on those fish. Holy smokes.
Holy
That's the biggest one
shit.
yet, I think. I'm gonna
That's a
say that's a
fatty.
17 pounder at least.
Holy cow, I could not open my hands.
Yeah, holy shit to that fight.
That one bulldog.
Yeah, you got him right up to the boat, and then the rod just goes straight into the water.
Did you record it?
Oh yeah.
Nice.
How do you like my spot picking?
Yeah, I think you're pretty good at this. I think Aaron was making fun of that 50-yard move.
Move. Well, I just thought it was not going to be that short.
Yeah, how's it working out for you?
Yeah, good.
I'm gonna say I think that's a 17 plus.
I'm gonna give it about 18. Nice looking female. Thick to the back. Yeah, that's the stuff. 18.
Nice.
That is a pig.
There's our son. He'll want to be here.
Wow, you're even.
I'm getting good at where
Yeah.
they go now.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm supposed to stand over here with the big fish?
Dude, I'm scared to hold it.
It's a pig.
That's a monster.
That's a beauty right there.
Oh man.
Thick to the back. Look at the tail. Wow.
My
Like,
God.
My arms are tired.
You've been taking pictures of this one, right, Pat?
I took video of the whole
Okay.
thing too.